Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are covering box plots and specifically the 5-number summary and how to arrive at it. So I have given you a sample list of data here. Note that your data will not always be given to you in order of lowest to highest value. So if it's not already in that order, you have to actually order your data first prior to doing your 5-number summary. So just something to note, it's super important that you make sure it's lowest to highest first in order to get the problem correct. Okay, so now what are the 5 numbers we need to know in order to actually draw a box plot? So first thing we need to know is the minimum or smallest value. Second thing we need to know is the Q1 or first quartile number, which we'll talk more about in a second. Third thing we need to know is the median or Q2 value. Then we need to know our Q3 value. And lastly, we need to know the maximum value. So minimum and maximum are probably the easiest. Minimum is just the lowest, which is 1. Maximum is the highest, which is 15. Next number I like to find is the median. So remember, the median is literally the middle of your data set. So here we have a total of 6 values. So off to the side here, I'm going to write n equals 6. So when you have an even number of values like this, your median is actually going to be between 2 values, right? Because here, if I split it there, I have 3 to the left, 3 to the right. So in this case, what I do is I actually take those two surrounding values and I just average them out. So the middle between 7 and 9 is 8. You could also just do 7 plus 9 divided by 2, and you would get 16 over 2 or 8. So whatever makes the most sense to you. Excuse my iPad, it's trying to do the math for me. Okay, so our median value is 8. Now we need to find the Q1 value. So this is just the median of this left-hand side here. So now over here, only on this left-hand side, I have 3 numbers, which is an odd number of values. So all I'm going to do is I'm literally going to take the middle value, which is 2. Now for my Q3 value, I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to do that on the right-hand side. So again, I have 3 values. I directly take the middle, which is 10, and then I call it a day. All right, thanks so much for watching. In the next video, we are going to go over how to actually draw this box plot.